This is NAVITEL T757 4G, and today I will demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first step is to find and launch the Google Drive app. It comes pre-installed with Android with the system, so you will not have to additionally neither download nor install any third-party apps. Now for some reason it does not see that I have a Google account signed into the system, but that's whatever, I guess. What can you do? I'll try to relaunch the app. Okay, now it actually sees my Google account. Magic. Anyway, so from here, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option, grant Google Drive app with the camera permission, and then once the camera interface gets launched, simply take a photo of the document you wanted to make a scan out of. So here is mine. Take a decent picture, since it will serve as the foundation for our scan/file that we are about to create. If you're satisfied, you can proceed. If not, simply retake the photo. Then you will get to the following interface. In here you can rotate your image, change its color scheme if necessary, and crop the original photo as you please. As you can see in my case, the quality is horrific, but well, the camera on this tablet is not good as well, so that's what you get. Then save by tapping at the save button, save once again, and wait for your file to get uploaded to the Google Drive. So if I'll go to the Files tab, I should already be able to open or access my PDF scan, if the app will allow me to, of course, which it does not want to, apparently. Alrighty, fine, I'll reload the Google Drive app, not a big deal at all. So here is my scan, and there you will also find yours. No connection. Okay, that's an odd one. Why is that? I mean, that's whatever, that's just the problem of this tablet, and I don't want to proceed, really. It just, as you could have seen, the document is saved and it's all good. Just give this tablet a few more years to wake itself up, I guess, you know, for the system to load things, to acknowledge the existing Wi-Fi connection, and perhaps after that you will be finally able to open your scan. But, well, overall I just do not recommend buying this stuff, and I'll opt for another one. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.